Hello, dear student. I hope you are well. I am also well. Dear student, welcome to the online class. First, I introduce myself. I am Shubal Chandra Rai, assistant teacher, Thakur Road Girls High School, Thakur Road, Thakurgaon. Dear student, in the previous class, we have discussed about suffix, prefix, tag. Okay, dear student? Today, we will discuss about the use of article for the class 6 and 7. Okay, dear student? So, we will discuss today about article. At first, so dear student, we know there are two kinds of article. One is definite article and another is indefinite article. Definite article is the and indefinite articles are a and n. Okay, dear student? So, let's know about the use of a or n. Where we can use a or where we have to use n. Okay, dear student? So, let's read these words. A is added before the word that starts with consonant. Okay, dear student? We have to use a as an article where which word starts with consonant, and but and n is used before the word that starts with vowel. Okay, which words are start with vowel, we have to use n before that word. Okay, dear student? So if we understand these words, we can know what are the vowels and consonants. Okay, dear student? In our alphabet, A, E, I, O, U, these 5 letters are vowel. Except these 5 letters, all are consonant. Okay, dear student? So, we know from this text what are the articles, that is what are the vowels letter, what are the consonant letter. Okay, if we understand that, we can fill these gaps. Okay, dear student? The first gap is first is boy. This word starts with B, so we have to use a as an article. Okay, a boy. Okay, and next word is cow. C is not vowel but it's consonant, so we have to use here a also. Okay, dear student? And next word is table. We also use a here, a table. And the next word is a fan. But the next word apple. Okay, dear student? Apple, the word is started with the letter A. That is, A is a vowel. So we have to use an here. An apple. Okay? Next word, an egg. Next word, an orange. And finally, umbrella. As this word is started with U, U is a vowel, so we have to use an umbrella. Okay, dear student? I think you understand this use of article very much. So let's go to the another page. Okay, dear student? Now we will know about the use of article. To know about the use of article, we have to know some rules. If we know some rules, it will be very much easy to us to complete and to fill the gaps with article. Okay, this one. Number one, a or an is used before the word that starts with consonant, and it is a definite article. They are indefinite article, but the is used before the definite word. Okay, this one. So let's fill the gaps with a, an, or the. Dear student, in the first gap, you can see gap, boy was going to school yesterday. Dash, boy was going to school yesterday. What should we use here, a or an or the? As the boy starts with B, B is consonant, so this boy is not definite. The boy may be any boy, so we have to use a here. A boy was going to school yesterday. He saw dash elephant. Okay, elephant. As elephant is used, started with e is an vowel, so we must use here n, but we can't use here the also, because this elephant is not definite, it's indefinite. This elephant may be any kinds of elephant. Okay, so we have to use n here. So a boy was going to school yesterday. He saw an elephant. Okay, he was boy. He was dash boy. This boy is used in the first line, boy. This boy, that is boy. So that boy is fixed here or definite here. So we have to use the here. So he was the boy who had seen the elephant first. Here elephant also definite word. Okay, this elephant word, we can see elephant in the second line, and this third line also elephant here. So this word is used two times. So next word is definite. So we have to use the here, the elephant first. We did not find Shah's an elephant. After Shah's and many, we have to use a or n. A or n. So we have to use n here. We did not find Shah's an elephant before. The elephant was really big. All became very happy seeing the elephant. Okay, this one? Yes, we also, if we understand this, if we fill these gaps, we can match our answer with the answer paper. A boy and an elephant, and the boy, and yes, the elephant first, and shot an elephant, and yes, the elephant was really big. All became happy seeing the elephant. Okay, this one, I think you understand very much. Okay, let's go to the next rule. Okay, rule number 2. If the pronunciation of H is he, we must use a before it. Okay, but if the pronunciation is not like he, we must use an before it. Okay, this one. So let's go to the example, please. Example. Okay, first one is horse. Horse. Okay, this one, horse. Here H is used as he, so we have to use a horse. Then hen. Here also H is used as hen, ha. Okay, so we have to use a hen. Okay, a hen. A handbag. Okay, this one. And next word, hour. Here s is not used like ha. Okay, hour. So we have to use an here. An hour. An honorable man. Okay, this one. So I think you understand these rules very much. So let's go to the next rule. Okay, this one, rule number 3. If the pronunciation of you is you, we must use a before it, but if the pronunciation is not like you, we must use an before it. Okay, this one. If you understand these rules, we can fill the gaps, please. Okay, this one. Example. Dash university student, you. Here you is used as you, so we have to use a before it. A university student. Okay, this one. And next is union leader, so a union leader. Okay, this one. And next is, yes, a unique site. A unique site. Okay, this one. And next word is unemployed man. An unemployed man. Okay, this one. And next, an umbrella. Here, you is not like you. Ah. Here, you is used as ah. So we have to use an umbrella. An urgent matter. An urgent matter. Okay, this one, I hope you understand these rules and examples very much. So let's go to the next rule. Rule number 4. Okay, if the pronunciation of constructed form or constructed form is like a vowel, if the pronunciation of constructed form is like a vowel, we must use an before it. But if it is not like, it is like consonant, we must use a before it. Okay, when we used constructed form, we have to think its pronunciation. If it is like vowel, we have to use an. If it is like consonant, if the pronunciation is like consonant, we have to use a here. Okay, this one. Let's go to the example, please. Okay, BSc student, B. Okay, this one, B. So it's not a vowel, it's like a consonant. So we have to use a BSc student, and then JC candidate, J. So it's not like a vowel, it's also like a consonant. So we have to use a JC candidate. Okay, this one. And then PSC student, P. So we have to use a here, a PSC student. And next phrase is MBBS student, MBBS, M. So here M is used, M is pronounced like a vowel. So we have to use an here, an MBBS student, an MBBS student. MP, an MP. Okay, this one. SSC student, SSC. S is the pronunciation of S is like a vowel. So we have to use here an SSC candidate. Dear student, if we understand these rules and examples very much, we can go to the next rule number 5. Dear student, here we can see, we know that O is a vowel, so we must use an before it. But The word one, but the word one, we must use a before it. Okay, if we get the word one, we have to use a before one. Okay, dear student, let's go to the example, please. Orange. Okay, dear student, an orange. Organization, an organization. Okay, dear student, and organized program, an organized program. One-eyed man, one. As we can see here, one. So we have to use article a here. A one-eyed man. Okay, this one, a one-eyed man. And next phrase, 100 taka. A 100 taka. Okay. And then one thing. A one thing. Okay, this one. So let's go to the example and let's go to the rule number 6. Okay, dear student, before any profession and after such many like, we must use a or an. Okay, dear student. So if you understand these rules, we can go to the example, please. Okay, example. Okay, dear student. At first we can see dash doctor. So a doctor. Okay, dear student. Teacher, a teacher. Shas, Englishman. Shas dash Englishman. Shas an Englishman. Okay, many a man. Okay, dear student. And a farmer like a computer. Like a computer. Okay, dear student. I think that by following this structure, the use of article will be very much easy to you. Okay, dear student. I hope you must practice these rules at your home. Okay, dear student. So let's go to the example number rules number 7. In exclamatory sentence, after a word, we must use a or an, but in superlative degree, we must use the before superlative form. Okay, dear student, let's go to fill the example, please. What intelligent? What dash intelligent? So, what an intelligent girl. Okay, dear student. And next, what a brilliant boy. What a brilliant boy. The most qualified man. Yeah, here most is the form of superlative form. Okay, so we have to use the here. The worst person. The worst person. The most active farmer. And what a beautiful girl. Okay, dear student, I think you understand these rules and examples very much. So let's go to the rule number 8. If this computer, television, internet, mobile phone are used as object, we must use a or an before it. But if we find them as a subject, we can use clause there. Okay, dear student, let's go to the example, please. I need computer dash computer. Here computer is used as object, so I need a computer to do this work. And number B, okay, this one, do you have dash mobile phone? Here mobile phone is used as object, so we have to use article a or an here. So do you have a mobile phone? Do you have a mobile phone? Okay. And next, computer is an electronic device. A computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device. Okay, dear student. Number D, without internet, no man can pass a single day. Okay, dear student. I think you understand this very much. By following this structure, this article, the use of article will be very much easy to you, but you have to try at your home to feel and understand the article and the use of article. Okay, we know that practice practice makes everyone perfect. So I think you have to practice yourself at your home place. So that's for all today, dear student. From this class, we want to close this class. So may Allah bless you.